Ah. Ah. Messed that one up. Oh, good job messing it up, Jerry. Ah, jeez. Let me get the sunglasses. Ah. Anyway, I was trying to get that Warbird taken off. Might have been a Texan. I don't know. You could tell from the engine. It was a lot of ponies in there. A lot of horsepower. Oh, and what the heck? I had this turned around, but I thought that we could get the WTF. So everybody understands what's there. Guess not. Anyway, happy Thursday to everybody. And if you look out here, you can I tell you that I'm in familiar foreign places. A familiar place. Not so foreign, I guess. I've been watching the Winds of War again. God, what a great series, and to be a part of something like that, you know, where there's a lot of people involved and a lot of money being risked. Amazing. That series is amazing, and the producer, the head writer, and the director, Dan Curtis, I think is his name. Double check that. I'm pretty sure it's Dan Curtis. I was like, what was his background to do something like The Winds of War, which was the biggest television project up to that date. I still think it's the biggest, too. By big, I mean the most expensive. Dan Curtis. So I looked into his resume and his background, and before he did Winds of War, he was a writer and producer of soap operas. Soap opera. Well, maybe World War II is the ultimate soap opera. So you can make an argument for that. Not really. Not when, good Lord, millions of Chinese and millions of Russians were brutally murdered. I think in terms of millions. I went into a townhome complex on my bike years ago and just rode around, and I just wanted to get an idea how many people lived in this complex. It's a complex of townhomes. That's all it is, and it's in Downingtown. And so I rode my bike around and decided I'm gonna assume 4 people in each townhome and see how many people live there. And I counted each one of the places. I think there were like 300 or something like that. And so there's 1,200 people that lived in that area. 1,200. Imagine millions. Imagine the whole city of Philadelphia being wiped out, like killed, brutally. That's what happened to China and Russia in World War II. And if you don't think that that's shaping their approach and their international policies and domestic policies now, you want to think again, because it damn well will. You can have a tragedy that happened in one generation, and the effects of that tragedy can snowball and continue into future generations, like slavery, which a lot of people don't understand the long range effects of slavery. They're profound and they're brutal. Anyway, so people cutting grass here. Blowing the grass away. Okay. So anyway, I gotta get my dog out. I just wanted to say a few words about things.